Hey everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a homemade paper airplane. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is fold the piece of paper in half, like that. Then what you're going to want to do is fold your two. You're going to have a piece right here. You're going to fold that down to the crease down here. So, just down to right there. Just fold it down like that. Make sure that's nice and good. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. That. Then you're going to fold it again, this part down to here, one more time. This right here. That. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Except right here. It's a little bit messed up on this side. Okay. And then you're going to fold it one more time. This time back down. Same thing as before, right to the bottom. Then do the same thing on this side. Fix that. Okay. So then you can make your point all nice, and then make sure everything's nice, creased nice and good. And then you can pull it apart like that, and then you have a paper airplane. So, thanks for watching. Bye.